Hello guys, let's take some problems on circles from R.D. Sharma. Here in this first problem, you need to find out, you need to prove here that angle x is equal to sum of angle y plus angle z. So how you can prove this? So first of all, you can see here there is this sector AOB. Let's join. I am joining them roughly. You can do this with a ruler so that you can get a straight line. So here AB is a chord of this circle. For this chord AB, you know that this is going to be the minor segment and this is going to be the major segment. Now in the major segment, you know that angle at the center is x. So angle at the perimeter of the circle is going to be half of the angle at the center of the circle, which means angle 3 is equal to half of the angle at the center of the circle, which means x by 2. Now angle made by this same chord at point C is angle 4. You know that in the same segment both of these angles going to be same, which means angle 4 will be the same. Now you know that ADE, this is a straight line, as well as BCE, this is also a straight line. So if you know this angle, then you can know this angle as well, because this angle is going to be 180 minus angle 3, because this is a straight line and this is going to be the straight angle. You know this angle, which is x by 2. So this angle is going to be 180 degree minus x by 2. This angle will be 180 minus angle 4. If this is y, you know that whenever two lines intersect each other, their opposite angles going to be same. So if this is y, as you know that these two lines are intersecting at this point, so their opposite angles will be same. So if this is y, then this angle is going to be y as well. Let's say this angle is A and let's say this angle is B. And you know that this, let's suppose this point is E dash. D, E, C and E dash. This is a quadrilateral. You can easily see here this, because quadrilateral has 4 sides and D, E, C, E dash is also have 4 sides. So here in this quadrilateral, sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So x plus y plus a plus b is equal to 360 degree. You know that A and B going to be same, because angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to same. Value of angle A equal to angle B is going to be 180 degree minus x by 2, because value of angle 3 is x by 2. So that's why A and B equal to 180 degree minus x by 2. Let's put this value here in this expression. X plus y, this is z, not x, this is z plus y plus a plus b is equal to 360 degree. Now z plus y plus a and plus b, value of this is going to be plus 180 degree minus x by 2, this is the value of a. Value of b is also same, 180 degree minus x by 2, this is equal to 360 degree. 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. So when this 360 will go on this right hand side, this will become 0. Now z plus y minus x by 2 minus x by 2. When you will take the LCM, this will become minus x. So here z plus y minus x is equal to 0. So from here you can write that z plus y is equal to x, hence proved. That's what you needed to prove, that x is equal to summation of z plus y. Now let's take our second problem, which is again a circle. ACBD, you can see here this is a cyclic quadrilateral. It has been given to you that length of this chord is equal to radius, and you know that OA and OB, this is equal to R. So when all the 3 sides of a triangle are equal, then this is going to be an equilateral triangle, and all the angles of an equilateral triangle will be same, which is equal to 60 degree. So all these angles going to be 60 degree. As you know that AB is the chord of this circle. For this chord, this is going to be the major segment, this is going to be the minor segment, the one with the less area and the one with the bigger area. So here for this chord, you know that angle at the center of the circle is 60 degree. So angle at the perimeter of the circle will be half of the angle at the center, which means this is going to be 30 degree. So here you can write ACB is equal to half of angle AOB. So this is going to be 60 degree divided by 2 and this is equivalent to 30 degree. Now you need to find out the value of D. How will you find out the value of D? You know that as ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. We have calculated this in circle properties. So angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. You can write here according to circle's properties. You know the value of angle C in this cyclic quadrilateral, which is 30 degree, and this is equivalent to 180 degree. Now you need to find out the value of angle D, and this is going to be 180 degree minus 30 degree, and this subtraction will give you 150 degree. So this angle D is equal to 150 degree, and as you know that you can write this angle as angle ADB. This is angle ADB. So here you needed to calculate the value of angle ADB and angle ACB. So value of angle ADB is 150 degree. Value of angle ACB is 30 degree. So I really hope that you should not have any issue in both of these problems. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.